Yo, what's up, crowd of people? This is your boy Marky Mark back with another video. And I was supposed to post on Tuesday. I'm falling behind. Mainly because I was riding along, minding my own one morning, pull up to a stoplight on the waterfront, and lo and behold, just sitting at the traffic light, all I heard was BAM! Out of nowhere. Felt like my car got hit. Wasn't sure if my car got hit until I heard all kind of sounds going on the dashboard and stuff. Lights lighting up, stuff saying different things malfunction. Got out the car and realized, yeah, I was hit. But looking for the vehicle that hit me because it was obviously from behind, but the car was way ahead of me, 2 car lengths ahead of me. Anyhow, long story short, it's been a couple weeks. Been waiting for parts to come in. That's what this video gonna be about. Because when something like that happens and you need parts of the car, you know what I mean, you just have to wait a long time for stuff to get shipped in town and so forth. So much to say, it's always good to have a backup car. I drive in my island car, my ragga. Alright, it's a 2004 Acura TL 3.2 TL, but they gave me from point A to point B and back. Check that out. I ain't got no radio, you know. Check out what your boy had to do. Real island car. I got my Bluetooth speaker and everything. Hook up, ready to go. Play my music. You can't tell me nothing, yo. What else I got? Oh, the car. The transmission going out in the car, okay? So, me and the car had a talk when I first started up because it was only going in 2 gears, first and second. And it will get kind of irritating when you're driving on the highway, when you gotta go like 35, 40 miles per hour. To be driving in second gear, the car straining like, yeah. So I figured out a way that you could actually put a car in manual mode and skip over third gear. We're coming up to this speed bump here. Okay, first gear, second gear. Here we go. See the idle going all the way up. Engine revving. Shift to third, which we ain't got no gear. See that? Then shift to fourth. Then we proceed. Yes, indeed. Yeah.
4 hours later.
But look how that man got it black, man. Look how that man got it black. So we gotta do some work today to get the black restored to its original glory. It's a very bad look for the black, yo. Alright, so let's see if we can get her done. Back with you guys after the intro. Alright, crowd of people, just spent about 15 minutes here erecting this tent. When walking in this island heat, island sun, you gotta make sure you can't be working in that direct heat, yo. So, first order of business, besides after getting the tent up over our heads, is to get the car jacked up. So I made a mistake. I jacked up the car without breaking the nuts first on the wheel. So we're gonna have to lower the vehicle, break the nuts, and then go from there. it is flat, as to be expected. That's what took the brunt of the impact. Right there. Holy crap. Oh, right there. Look at that. There's a loud noise when that thing hit. Look at that. Wow. So that's what saved your boy. Well, besides the almighty, of course. If it was head on, I'd have been in a hospital bed laid up somewhere. Alright, so let me see what we... Oh, no bueno. Alright, so check it out, guys. This is what actually broke. Right here. This crate snapped the brake line. So that's why I started here. Alright guys, so when you have the when you're doing any kind of work under the vehicle, it's proper to put down jack stands. The jack stands that I have is for trucks and SUVs, so it is most likely not going to fit under here. But for now, what I'm going to do is put the wheel underneath the car to hold it up. This wheel most likely is bent. I could actually look at it and see from where the impact was that it's kind of flattened out. So I'm going to jack up the car. National TV. Yeah, so what I'm gonna have to do now is take all of this stuff off, see what's good, see what needs to be replaced, for sure, and go from there. Yeah, it's also busted on this side. I didn't notice that, but this side broke also. Got damage. All right. So
4 hours later.
This is day 2, because we couldn't get it all done in day 1. I have to go get some sockets, which I didn't have on me. So I should have all my sockets now. And then I needed a smaller impact wrench. This is the bigger one that I have, but this one couldn't get back up behind where I needed to get. This one was able to do the job, reach in behind this limited space that I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue working to get this stuff off. Definitely we won't get it off. The parts are already in. Also came in today. St. Thomas cargo. Once again, every link on this thing broke, man. Every link on this thing broke. So only thing it was hanging on by was the shocks, which I just loosened off here. Just got the shock loosened off, and it's just resting on top of this right now. So the next thing I'm gonna do is this link. Actually, this link didn't break, but you can see it's strained right here. It has like a little split. So I'm gonna definitely be still replacing this. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and loosen this off. Once this is loosened off, I'm gonna drop these two here on the bottom. Everything will come down. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I ended up getting the axle off. This literally, besides the shocks, this was the only other thing holding the wheel onto the car. This broke right here, the rear control arm and the lower control arm, both sides snapped. This basically broke also. It's, well, it's strained at least. So So we're gonna be replacing this, the axle itself, and then the rear controller sway bar, I guess. Well, this ain't a sway bar, this is a sway bar. All this stuff broke. Right, so now it's just to get this off, which is the lower control arm. Or how you hear them talk about wishbone suspension. Yeah, there's the wishbone right here. That has to drop out. After that's out, we'll just get this removed and then be ready to put in the other stuffers. All right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. So we're about the end process right now. Got everything back on, locked and loaded, all the links and everything. Tighten up, good to go. Brakes, tighten up, good to go. Yeah, so today's third day I've been working on it. Yesterday, this shock gave me hell to get back on, to line up and everything like that. Lifting up, putting down, and that thing had to go like direct in. So, and just put back on the rotor and the caliper just now. Everything is tight. Brake line was supposed to come in today. Had to send express. I'm gonna have to get my money back for that. Because this brake line got broken off from there. Of course, when the wheel got hit and pushed everything forward, it burst. So, gotta get a new brake line that goes from there to there. This is me putting on the last couple of lug nuts. This bad boy to sit on its own swerved legs. Man, I swear it's like we're recording the whole time. I done put in all the last lugs and everything tightened up. Getting ready to drop her down, and that's when I noticed I wasn't recording. So, let's lay her down, all 4 legs. Boom. First time in a month. There she goes. She's sitting pretty. She's sitting pretty. Yeah, baby. A job well done. So, was waiting on the brake line to come in today. Had it sent express. Didn't come in, so I'm not driving her today. I wait till the brake line comes in, put in brake fluid, bleed the brakes, and then we'll be able to ride on out of here. Alright, well, at least start her up. Since she's on all 4 legs, parking brake malfunction. Basically got no brakes. Yeah, I know it's malfunction. Should have been driving her out all now. Take a 6 o'clock afternoon ride, but that ain't happening. So we gotta wait another gotta wait till Monday's a holiday, so gotta wait all the way till Tuesday, till when the brake line get delivered, then go install it Tuesday afternoon after work, and then we'll be able to test drive and everything like that. All right, so for now, turn this bad boy off. Yeah, of course, I'm looking all dirty and stuff. But that's how I look, hard working man. I don't just do IT. as I say, I don't suggest anyone buying any car like this unless you know someone who works on them or you work on them yourself. All right. She's sitting pretty. She's sitting pretty.